How to turn off online status on Facebook and Facebook Messenger. Follow this step. Let's begin with Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then click on the settings icon at the top right. Now scroll down to the audience and visibility section and choose active status. Here you will see the options show when you are active. Simply toggle the switch to off to disable your online status on Facebook. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click on turn off to confirm your action. Furthermore, for the Messenger app, return to your home screen and open the Messenger app. Then click on the three horizontal lines icon at the bottom right corner. Next, select the gear icon at the top. Then click on the active status. Here you will see the same option label show when you are active. Just like you did on Facebook, toggle the switch off to hide your online status on Messenger and select a duration. Then hit pause. By following this step, now you know how to turn off online status on Facebook and Facebook Messenger.